Okay, in this video I'm going to show the procedure for changing the thrust location in a Subaru block from the center to the rear. This block was an early block. The thrust, you can probably see it was in the center here. I'm going to move it to the rear. Now I've already machined the back side. That's the easy side. To get the location of the thrust, I picked up my datum. This is the original datum hole here. I picked up the location here, and I know the depth to that back face, and I've machined accordingly. Now I'm going to machine the underside. I've already taken my rough cuts. I'm going to do a final cut now. And this is the tool I'm using. This is my little boring head, which I use to cut the back surface. What I've done is just invert the tool holder so that the tool's upside down, and I'm going to go down below the main here and then feed back up and do a final cut on that front side of that thrust. And this is about a 4th out cut, final cut. And come over to the panel and hit cycle start, and away we go. Now it's fed down underneath. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's traveling in a circle like it's milling a pocket. That's what it thinks it's doing. This is actually a back boring operation. The tool's moving over in 80 thou increments and getting the final diameter. And when it gets done, it will retract. I'll measure it, and either it'll be good to go, or we'll take another hour or two to get to the final size. You can chart our progress here on the panel. On the left is the X and Y positions as it travels in the circle, and you'll see we're at a total X of negative 320, negative 390 is our final. That's where we are. So it's doing a final pass. It'll stop and retract. Get a good view here of the path the tool's making. Now the block is on a fixture. I've got this fixture here. You can see it. The mains clamp on it. I've ground this bar, precision ground this bar to the main size, and the block just clamps on there, and it's dead straight to the table. There's no setup. It's just simply bolt on, and we're good to go. There's a little clamp on the top here that the bar is just missing. That holds the block in position. We're almost done. Tracks, and how well you can see this, but you can see that is a machine surface. Well done.